Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about Eddie Brooke. I think Eddie Brooke is a fantastic character. He was abused by his father, which led him to work with journalism obsessively, even taking cricket baths, which led him to be fired from his job, which led him to fame Spider-Man, which led him to Venom, but he realised that he didn't have to be totally evil to be Venom. He could have been an anti-hero, which I think is a great character. I think Eddie Brock is a fantastic character, and that's not the most gracious portrayal, the best. But Tom Hardy really nails Eddie Brock, even though those movies aren't that good. So in short, Eddie Brock is a fantastic character.